Mastering the art of real estate investment, tips for scaling and managing your business successfully. Real estate investing can be a lucrative and rewarding business, but as your portfolio grows, it can become increasingly difficult to manage effectively. One of the keys to scaling your real estate business is to establish clear goals and strategies for growth. This means identifying your target market, setting achievable milestones, and developing a plan for financing and acquisitions. Another important factor is to build a strong team of professionals to help you manage and grow your investments. This may include real estate agents, property managers, contractors, and financial advisors. It's also crucial to stay up to date with the latest trends and technology in the industry. This can help you identify new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, scaling your real estate business requires careful planning, a strong team, and a commitment to staying informed and adapting to changes in the market. With the right strategy and approach, you can achieve long-term success and profitability in the real estate industry.